Go ahead, Oz. Hey, if it's a whine or a complaint, I don't want to hear it. So no, just if it's a whine or complaint, I don't want to hear it. So let's go. Now who am I waiting for? You, come on. You gotta stop worrying, buddy, come on.
Yeah, you're way back there.
Don't, you gotta stop worrying. I'm in control, dude. Chloe, you having fun? Yeah? Let's go. Come on, worry wart. Because right now, you're your own worst enemy. You are making this difficult for yourself and everybody else. Because you're worried about what's going to happen instead of worrying about what to do.
You were way back there and we were way back here. If something did happen, oh look, we just fall down, just get stabbed by all the trees, boom.
You're ridiculous. There's all these good people here. I'm sure that they would help you. You think they would just sit there and watch you fall? Alright, well I'm going. And then you're going to be all behind me.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be waiting for you at the bottom.
Go.
Okay? Really what? I wanted to videotape you guys, but apparently that's not going to be an option.
You haven't even experienced the trail.
Doesn't matter. Hey, but you know what I am, dude? I'm comfortable with my abilities so far. Therefore, I'm comfortable videotaping while I ski. You got it? Worry wart. Chloe! Hi! Chloe, how you doing, baby? Why do they make flat curves? This is dumb. Snowboarding, snow paddling. I know. Well, now you know not to come down this one, right? Hold on.